Hello and welcome to Login Science. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install this amazing periodic table application that you can use in chemistry or use in any science subject that requires a periodic table. Before I can show you the download and installation processes, let's see how this amazing periodic table works. Okay, you can see this is the periodic table. Once you have it installed on your PC or on your tablet, it will look like this. Okay, so this is the periodic table. So for example, when I'm trying to hover my mouse over the element, you can see I'm having the different image of the element. For example, when I hover my mouse over carbon, this is carbon. You can see as I'm hovering over the element, it's showing me the image of the element. Okay, so you can try to play with the periodic table to see the different options, the different features and the different tools that you can get from this periodic table. Let's say for example, when I click on images at the top, you can see on images, now I have the image of, for example, hydrogen. This is hydrogen. When I click on boron, this is boron. When I click on carbon, this is carbon. When I click on phosphorus, this is phosphorus. When I click on aluminium, this is aluminium. When I click on manganese, this is manganese. Okay, so you can try and play with the periodic table to see the different features, the different options and the different tools that you can get in this periodic table. Okay, when I want to get the element showing, I'm going to click on main. When I click on main, now I have my element showing. Okay, so this is how you can use this periodic table. Let's say for example, when I click on solid down here, down on the right, now I have all the element in solid state showing. When I click on liquid, I only have the element in liquid state showing. When I click on gas, I only have the element in gaseous state showing. When I click on synthetic, I only have this synthetic element. I'll click on display all. Where's display all? Display all there. Can you see it? There's display all there. And when you click on dynamic, I'm going to have a dynamic view. Okay, so this is how you can play with your periodic table. Try to play with it to see the different options and the different features you can get from this periodic table. Okay, now let's see how you can download it and install it on your PC. Okay, to download the periodic table, what you need to do is to go to Google, and once on Google page, you are going to search for fresh, like this, Freshni. You see Freshni or Freshni, I don't know. So Freshni periodic table, like this. Okay, and then you search. You are going to choose the first one, which says download.cnet.com. You click on that. Okay, so once you click on this one, it's going to open another page like this one. You can see the software is free, so you are going to click on download now. Okay, once you click on download now, the software will start downloading. Okay, so it will depend on the speed of your internet. Okay, you can see the software is downloading. Let's close this. You can see it's downloading. Okay, you just have to wait for the software to finish downloading, and then from there you can install it. So it is about 20 megabytes of size. Okay, let's wait for the setup to finish downloading, and from there you can install it. You can see the download is almost finished. Okay, let's wait for it to finish. Okay, the download is finished. You can see it has finished downloading. Now you can install your periodic table. You click there. You have it. You just open the file. Okay, so it's going to install. You say yes. Okay, then you click agree. You click install. Okay, so it's installing. Just have to wait for the installation process to finish, and so you have your periodic table. So remember, I'm going to provide the links in the video description where you can download this software. Okay, so the installation process is finished. Now you can close it, and you can check on your desktop. You are going to see, so you can see this is the icon for the periodic table. It is installed on my desktop. I just have to double click it to open it. it's going to open like this. So this is the periodic table. When it's open, you just have to close this. Okay, and then this is the periodic table. You have it on your PC. Okay, so this is how you can download the periodic table that you can use for physical science, for chemistry, or any science subject that requires a periodic table. Okay, if you find value in this video, please show that with your like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so that you can have these videos coming your way. Until next time, I will talk to you soon.